Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that some of you may not need now, some of you may. And that is electric can openers. Now some of you are going, oh, I don't need an electric can opener, I got one of these good, ones I can just crank on it and stuff. Cool. But what about in a few years if you start getting carpal tunnel syndrome or some other problems with your hand, some sort of arthritis or whatever, and you can't crank those anymore? What are you going to do then? Now I know some of you are going to say, well, I got an electric can opener, so I don't got to worry about it. Well, what about when the power's out? How are you going to open up the cans? You can't twist this and your electric can opener don't work. What are you going to do then? That's one of the reasons why you might want to consider adding to your preps an electric can opener. Doesn't mean you have to start using it right now, but if you have it there, put away, ready for the time when you need it, you'll be much better off than finding out, oh, I can no longer turn it, I need to open it up, but I have no way to open up my cans. And then, of course, then at that point, it may be, I can't get an electric can opener anymore. So think about it. That may be something you may want to get now. Also, if your parents are still around and they're getting up there, you may want to consider buying them one as well. All right? So before I take off, just want to remind you to check out my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound. There's a couple good playlists over there, the Emergency Preparedness playlist and the How-To playlist. I go over how to do a lot of emergency preparedness stuff over there. And I was doing that before I revived this channel. All right, so I'm going to put that link right up here. And then I'm going to put the link to the Prepping for Beginners up here and the Prepping in Private playlist down here. Why? Well, this is why.